Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Natwest mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Natwest mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Natwest mortgage login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Natwest mortgage account. Enter your mortgage account number, date of birth, your surname, mortgage property postcode and tap on login. This is how you can log into your Natwest mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.